There was once upon a time.
Okay, systems check. Everything's okay. I think this is the time that we make our prototype rest. Let's shut it. What? More base to battle? Aren't we gonna rest? Like ever? Are we gonna keep battling? Jeez. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And in today's video, we are gonna battle the Helios Volcano and Hyperion burn with some of my GT Beyblades. So yeah, let's get started. It's going to be race to 2 because there's so many. Knockouts and bursts are 2 points. So first up is King Helios. Helios Volcano against my dummy combo, my dummy Beyblade. Oh, I won't count self KOs. By the way, there's going to be a high Jaggy Dash that's gonna come out, and the driver of this is Jaggy Dash. Basically, they're just gonna make it higher so that the chassis would hit the other Beyblades, because yeah, most of the Superking Beyblades, it's the chassis that actually does the damage. There, it's Jaggy Dash. And I really like Jaggy. I prefer it over any rubber tips. And there's a KO. That's 2 points. So I'm gonna battle Helios Volcano with all of them, and then we're gonna switch, okay? So it's not that unorganized. Left spin, left spin. Start with all the left spin. Back Longinus. Double zero. Oh yeah, 1-0. Double zero expand on defense. Oh, self KO. Self KO is not counted. Don't self KO, please don't self KO, please don't self KO, please don't self KO, please don't self KO. It's already 1-0, right? Please don't self KO. Ooh. What? This one? Seriously? Over this? 1-1, last round. It's really hard putting a Beyblade that has 2B that's free spinning, because your tendency to hold on this and you lock it on the launcher and it falls. You have to hold on to the ring. But with this combo, the rod ring is really smaller. And that's 2 wins for Helios Volcano. Next is Master Diabolos left spin. Chasing each other, and they're not. Ooh, there. And Master Diabolos, 1 point. That's what I don't like about same spin. They just chase each other around, consuming stamina. So it's a win for Master Diabolos. I'm gonna switch this to right spin. Now we're going to have more collisions since the other one is opposite spin. See? That's why opposite spin battles are better. Now we're gonna wait for the generate to kick in. Spin stealing, spin equalization. Oh, this one. Oh, nice hits. No KO so far. Just a while ago, my dummy combo and scraping. So. An opposite spin, this is a beast. Next is Poison Hydra. And again, there's going to be a high blow dash. This is blow dash. The short one. In case you're wondering how they perform. Poison Hydra has 00 meteor. And that's 1-0. Almost a KO there. And it's going to be spin finish again. Volcano Helios prototype. Next is Big Bang Apocalypse Ultimate Reboot 00 Dagger. This is going to be a wild battle. Oh, that Ultimate Reboot, but it doesn't have enough stamina. If it doesn't KO, it will lose. Okay, see. Told you, if it doesn't KO, it will lose. So that's 2 points for Prime Apocalypse. Big Bang Apocalypse 1. So far, only Big Bang Apocalypse 1 and the left spin Diabolos. Am I right? I can't remember. That's all that I can remember. That's Big Bang Genesis with its yard metal 00 dagger as well. Big Bang Apocalypse always chills in the middle, in the center. So basically what will happen with the high dash drivers, I don't know just how high they're going to be, but it gives more elevation for the chassis, so the chassis would hit the bay more, the opponent more. But a lot of people are complaining because it's jaggy and blow. Why jaggy and blow? Why not, you know, like something better? Me, personally, I like jaggy. It's like this toy dash without the blade. And Helios Volcano 1. So this one can rest. This time, it's Hyperion Burn. When will I get used to their names? Actually, their names are kind of going back and forth to Hyperion Burn or Burn Hyperion. A lot of people have already posted Burn Hyperion, and then we're seeing other people saying it's Hyperion Burn. So yeah, I'm just following what's posted in Google. So Longinus versus Burn Hyperion Burn. whatever. I think this is going to be a sweep. I don't think any of these can beat it because it's heavy. Or I could be wrong. Let's see. 1-0. Someone was scraping. And 2-0. So there. Wizard Longinus, my dummy combo. So look at those hits. And 1-0. Our prototypes are doing pretty well. Again, the new Helios and the new Hyperion will probably have the same LAD, if not at least almost the same. If you've seen already the plates, the X and the Z. Oh, what? What? That's 2-1. This lost. So basically it's like the plate of XT. It also has a hole in the center, a bigger one, so that you can fit the zone and the exceeds tips. Let's save Master Diabolos for last because I have to switch that to left spin. Now it's Big Bang. He's just staying in the middle. And ooh, I think this one. If I'm wrong, then it's still one. This is taking too long. Ooh, dropped it. Ooh. Okay, so that's 2-0. Next is Poison Hydra. Blow dash. Blow dash is an attack driver that's really pointy. I'll show you. Maybe the new dash drivers have something to do with the other legends that's gonna come out. That's 1-0. But it's pointy. Kinda like Fusion in SL, but this is pointy. So far, the only Beyblade that's defeated Hyperion Burn. What? 1-all. It's my dummy combo. How did Poison Hydra pull a win? Okay. So that's 2-1. Next, this bad boy from Apocalypse. Fun Beyblade Fuse. Fun Beyblade Fuse. Ooh, oh wow. It's like Hyperion Burn was having a hard time catching up to it. They used the Tornado Ridge to speed up. Wow, it's like an anime scene. You know what Vault usually does in season 2? Now it's Prime Apocalypse chasing him. Ooh, Prime Apocalypse going to lose. Doesn't have enough stamina. Who won? Well, let's just say this one. So that's it. Now for the last Beyblade 2 battle. Let's do this. Ooh, it jumped. $1-0 for Hyperion Burn. Just the right timing. KO. When you get hit near a pocket, you're doomed. So now, for the final battle, let's switch to left spin. Got back up, and okay. So that's 1-0 for Burn Hyperion. Hyperion Burn. Whatever. Is it the last round? Or is Master Diabolos left spin going to take one? Ooh, it's 1-0. Last round. These marathon battles are like really loud. And wow, Master Diabolos didn't lose. Like he KO'd this always at the last round. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that marathon battle video. This marathon battle video, and watch out for more videos where we test this prototypes of Hyperion Burn, or Helios Volcano Helios. So keep safe. For all your Beyblade needs, just look at the description down below, and please subscribe. Bye.